Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, I can. My name is Irma Valiana. I am 22 years old. I am married. I have experience in Singapore for 2 years. My job in Singapore was cleaning the house, cooking, take of children, marketing, and was the care.
What the reason the baby crying?
The baby feel hungry, thirsty, urine, or sick.
If the children get sick, what should you do?
I will tell the employer and bring the doctor.
If you willing to take elderly person.
Sir and madam, yes, I will, because that is my job.
Please keep some check for your employer.
Sir and madam, I hope you will trust me to be your meat. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. See you in Hong Kong. Bye bye.